our channel.
I'm Keish.
I'm Ellie.
Today we are doing
Halloween makeup look on me.
Yep. So we are doing a Halloween look. We're just gonna roll with it and see what happens. That's kind of, I don't know, we're about to mess with it. Here we go. Let's get started. First, we're gonna prep her face.
Can't really see her because she's gonna be standing up.
But we're gonna use this to prep your face. The MAC Fix Plus.
What's prep?
Just to get it going and ready.
Like prime?
Yeah. I wanted to use my sponge. Dry your face.
Yeah. She said you don't have to do it, but I want to do it. When I was doing my own makeup, I forgot to do this, but you don't have to do it. Okay, she's here. It's weird.
Her hair was super poofy. It's still kind of poofy. Okay, we're gonna use
I'll show you back if you can't see it, but
foundation. We didn't even bring that.
I can grab mine.
No, I want to use the Tarte.
I have my own.
We're gonna have to restart.
I like these things. It's squishy.
We're gonna use the Tarte.
Like
shape.
she always says. She said it's cute.
Light neutral. It's still a little dark.
I like so squishy.
And then we're gonna do that. And then I brought my little brush.
Do you even use this Tarte thing to yourself?
But I'm not so tan.
Oh.
It always sticks to her eyebrows.
I know. It feels weird when you're doing that.
Okay, we're gonna put powder, powder, powder. We're gonna use the MAC NW.
Careful. You dropped it.
Powder.
Surprise.
Close your eyes. Everything always sticks to your eyebrow.
I know.
Oh my gosh.
Your brush stinks.
Smells like powder.
No, it does not.
Yeah, it does.
It smells so bad, people.
Okay. Oh my gosh, your eyebrows.
Let me see. I gotta see this.
Here, we're about to zoom in. Get ready. Eyebrows. Stay still. Look how dark they are.
Oh my gosh, it stinks.
Yeah, this one always stinks. And I washed it like a million times. We did the foundation. We did the powder. Now, I got some shape tape. This is the color light.
That should be my color.
Close your eyes. We're going to really work this in. Really lightens up her under eye.
So you think I can use this often?
No. She always tries to use my makeup.
She got me in the eye.
You're fine. Okay. Foundation did the powder. I'm going to put the light and shade palette. I'm going to put
whatever.
The lightest shade.
On me.
Lucid. Under her eyes. Close your eyes.
When I put stuff in my eyes, I just blink inside.
I don't have nothing to really do her eyebrows. And her eyebrows, the powder sticks to them.
I think somebody's scratching me.
We need to get you some eyebrow powder. We could really do a lot if we got her some eyebrow powder. Okay, we're gonna contour her face a little bit.
Well, I forgot what contour was.
So, I'm gonna take the smaller one.
Oh.
Suck your lips in. I've never used this color before. That's the somber.
What?
Suck your lips in. It actually works good with her. It actually looks really good. That's a good contour. Okay, look at me. That's a good color for her.
It look like well, that's not bad, but it looks my eyebrows.
I know your eyebrows are horrible. Let me see your nose. Contour a little bit her nose.
The brush is still ticklish. Tickly to me. Oh my
Okay,
gosh.
look in the camera. Might need to do this a little bit.
I think this brush I should using is really cool. It's like a hairbrush, but no, it's not.
Okay, now. I don't know. I wish we could do your eyebrows.
No!
Look at me. We're going to do some eyebrow searching and see what they have for blondes, because I don't know.
I can't see it.
This one's kind of jacker because she actually has a little bit of eyebrows. We're gonna put a little bit of the MAC Fix darker stuff. Ooh, we're gonna put that.
It doesn't matter what I look like because zombies are like messy and dirty and everything.
Smile right here. So instead of blush, we're gonna darken it a little bit.
Like I got dirt on my face.
Yeah. And I think I'm going to put a little bit of Gold Rush, which is kind of sparkly. Somebody's knocking.
Probably Colton.
Okay.
Is that yours?
That kind of looks creepy. She looks like a prom. Like you're going somewhere. Alright, you can look at the end. Quit doing that.
Okay.
We're gonna do.
I don't know.
I want to do her eyes. That's what I've been waiting for. We're gonna prime your eyes.
What?
If you relax, it goes faster. Just got some on you down there.
Who primes their eyes?
Everybody, so the color sticks.
My eye, my back.
Okay, I brought two Jaclyn Hill palettes.
Can we use a big one?
I was thinking about the big one.
Because that has my colors. What was this?
Well, this one, it has a few orangish colors. This one also has oranges.
No, I want to use a big one.
Well, our eyes. We're going to start with, let me see this one. Access. That's Access. Close your eyes. Look in the camera. We're going to put a little bit more right here. Blend it out. Access is actually a really good orange color. And then we're going to take a little Access on the bottom. It. So underneath, connect. Right there, turn. We're going to put it, start here, and blend it. Okay, now I'm going to take, thinking a little goldish color.
Yeah, zoom out, but it's okay.
I'm going to take,
Coin.
no, some of these shimmer colors, they're not my favorite when doing eyes. But let them look at your eyes. Close your eyes. Really orangey. I was thinking, pick a neutral color just to blend it, to blend the tops a little bit. Take off the Access.
Mommy.
Your eyes. Close your eyes.
Oh, she's that ticklish.
Okay, now. Gives it, oh yeah, that shimmer inside. Inner corner, you can still see it. That's a nice shimmer in there.
Okay.
Okay.
I feel like we're done.
We're not.
Why do you still have this?
And I wanted to do, this might be a little hard with her because she moves a lot. My Stella Gold. Close your eyes. We're just going to do get ready. Keep your eyes closed. Now open them. Ooh, look at that. Now close them. That's pretty. That's a cool Halloween look, y'all. Was actually bad. That was simple though. Put your head back. Not like that. She's crazy.
You should put your head back.
That looks good. That's a simple Halloween makeup. We used like 2-3 colors in the Stila mascara.
That's my worst
Mascara.
fear.
And now I'm going to show you a trick when doing mascara when somebody blinks their eyes too much. Right now, if you got somebody like her, she always blinks and blinks. What do I tell you to do?
Close my eyes.
Just keep her eyes closed. You want to lift up here and just do the mascara. And
Nothing.
it does good, and she don't have to blink. She just has to keep her eyes closed. And kind of make sure you get the bottom lashes too. Just, let me get some more. Lift up, and you can get those lashes, and it doesn't touch under her eye because you're pulling up on the forehead, okay? Don't open yet. Tell her to give her a second. Put your head up a little bit. Whenever you're ready, you feel like you can open them without twitching 10 times. Open them. Look at that. It changes her so much. Close them slowly. Nice. Halloween. She looks like a cheerleader, like glammed up. Okay.
What's next?
Okay. Now we're going to do the highlighter.
No, what's highlighter? I forgot. That's what it was. I was saying that she didn't use
So,
to use this brush, but she's using a different brush.
we're going to use Lit from the Tarte powder.
She uses Tarte.
I like Tarte. Oh yeah, look at that. Well, you know what this is? This is a glam Halloween look. Yeah. Quit touching everything. She's always touching everything.
Yeah.
Look at that. Turn to the side a little bit. The other way. Really glows. Really glows. Anyways, look at that. Beautiful glam Halloween princess.
Well,
Is that what we're calling you? A glam Halloween princess?
I almost like something.
You look like a cheerleader with her bow.
Yeah, it's black for Halloween.
And then you want to set the face. Close your eyes. I like to sometimes, we're dropping stuff.
Yep.
Pat, 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 pat. Pat everything in. Yeah. And then to really get glowing, to get it glowing, glowing, you take this again, get the color you used,
No.
and
Using the brush I didn't want to use.
I like the fan brush. And you,
That brush smells better than the other brushes.
it makes it pop more. Like, turn to the side. Yeah, look at that. You can see it popping. She's popping. Mouth. Your cap's messed up. Okay.
Yeah, it is probably.
Pie about to fall out. Anyway,
Yeah,
I brought some lips.
Oh my gosh.
This is called Lights Down by Don't know. Fuck. Go like this. Now look at that. Smile.
Cheerleader.
Yeah.
Dead cheerleader.
No, if we had Halloween, a few different things, we could really make this a zombie glam look, y'all. Look in the camera. We could really do a zombie glam cheerleader, something zombie-ish.
If she had like something red.
We need a
red lipstick we could just put like this.
But she looks like a doll.
Stop!
She does.
Sometimes I do look like a doll.
Look at your face. Do a little pose for us. Oh. Turn to the side a little bit. Yes, look at that. Now look at me. Look at that. Halloween. Her lipstick's a little jacked up, but that's okay.
You can always fix that.
Yeah, that looks good. A beautiful, I don't know. This is a glam Halloween makeup look. Just look at her. She keeps messing with my stuff. Now smile. Okay, so that completes
Screw over.
today's look. So what do you think you are? Is this what you want to be for Halloween?
I think, well, I can feel like a cheerleader costume. I wear this.
Yeah, I think the bow makes it
Pop like a cheerleader.
Yeah, she's like a cheerleader. But this is a Halloween glam look. Halloween glam. Say Halloween glam.
Halloween glam.
Now, what do we say?
Like and subscribe.
And thanks for watching.
Our video.
Is she crazy? Yes. 1, 2, 3. This completes today's look. Please like and subscribe. Ready?
Bye.
Goodbye, everyone.
Extra cheer.